Talking about like strategies, as a new seller, what advice would you give a person? Let's say they got like 50 products listed on the store. So what advice would you give them? What kind of repricing strategy they should use to get more sales? Exactly.
I would say look at your products that you're selling. Not every one of them is going to be the same, but for the larger quantity ones that you have, you would start out with maybe the AI equalizer to get a balance of sales and profits. And then you can then see whether you need to go more aggressive if you're not getting any sales and you want to turn over your product faster. Then we would go on the AI win sales booster or sales maximizer to move your products faster. And then if you want to get more profits for the products that you have a competitive edge in that you're able to source with higher profits, then those items you can actually use the AI match buy box repricing rules. So you'll start out with those 3 different repricing rules: AI equalizer, AI sales maximizer, and then AI match profit booster. Yeah, so those would be 3 AI repricing strategies I start out with. And if I only want to start out with one, I'm going to go with the AI equalizer as a beginner.